Alright, have you ever wanted to play Fortnite on iOS, like your iPhone or iPad, but cannot find it on the App Store? Well, it was because it was removed from the App Store a while ago. And people have been pretty bummed out because Apple doesn't like Fortnite for some reason. And they don't even know that you can still play it today using the Xbox Game Cloud, all thanks to Microsoft. Now I'll show you how to use this right now. So once you're on your iOS device, as you can see I'm on my iPhone, what you want to do is head to your internet browser. I recommend Safari. What you want to do is type up xbox.com/play. Click on enter. When you're here, you can search for Fortnite. As you can see, you can click that and it says get ready to play. So yeah, you can play it, but once you click on that, you say you need to add it to the home screen. Now to do that, scroll up until you see the bottom bar, click on the share button, go down until you find add to home screen. Click on that. You can name it as cloud gaming and click on add. Alright, as you can see it's been added to my home screen. All you're trying to do is click on it, and once you're here, you want to search for Fortnite. You'll have to sign in with a Microsoft account, so click on sign in. I'll sign in right now. Alright, once you sign in, it should say play, so just click on that. Turn your phone sideways, and then you will be brought into a server. And now as you can see, you will be able to play Fortnite on your iOS. You can also connect a PS4 or Xbox controller, so you can play using controller but use the iPhone or iPad as a screen. And I'm screen recording and I don't have good internet right now, so that's why it's saying it's going to take 25 minutes. The only bad thing about this is that you need good internet connection, but other than that it should be nice and smooth. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and comment down tutorials you want to see in the future or any trouble you had. Other than that, I'll see you in the next video.